Finally, I have here on my table is the all-new Huawei P60 Pro with Kunlun glass. So after its debut in China last March, we'll be finally able to test it here on my channel, and I'll be showing you my first impression and unboxing of this brand new unit from Huawei. So let's get it started. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And this is the Huawei P60 Pro, and like always, it's a white box, unlike the Mate 50 Pro, which has a black box. So you can see Huawei P60 Pro nakaset sa gilid. The back is pretty clean. And what I have here is the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage, and the color is black. And this is the Kunlun glass variant. So let's open. The big camera module. Let's take it out. Nice. You can see the back is matte finish, and mas smooth pa rin siya kahit matte finish. Tapos kung tinama mo siya ng ilaw, feeling mo may mga kunting mga glitters sa likod, which makes it a little bit more premium. And this is a triple camera setup dito sa likod with X-Mage. So bago tayo mag-phone tour, tingnan natin the other things inside. We have your SIM ejector tool. We have your jelly case, which is a transparent one. So pag kinamit natin, looks like this. Pretty cool, but I think it's still better without the case. Dito ang ating 88 watts na Huawei supercharged na charger. And what's nice dito sa kanya is we have dalawang port dito. You either can use your Type A or Type C na cable. So just remember to use a 6 ampere na cable para ma-maximize yung 88 watts na fast charging capability ni Huawei. And here's your Type A to Type C cable na kasama. Actually, kung muna kayo dito sa phone na ito, at the back we can see that we have your triple camera sensor, starting with the 48MP na main camera sensor together with a 48MP din na telephoto lens and 13MP na ultra-wide lens. And we have dual LED flash dito, and nakaprint dito ang X-Mage. Huawei logo down here. Matte finish ang likod niya, and I believe this is glass. And on this side is aluminum metal. And sa harap niya is the Kunlun glass protection. So sa ilalim we have your SIM tray, microphone in, Type-C port, and of course your loudspeaker. So sundutin lang natin. So on one side you have your nano SIM, and on the other side you can either insert a nano MEM or another nano SIM. On this side it's pretty clean. Then sa ibaba we have your stereo speaker, your noise cancelling mic, and your IR blaster. And on this side we have your power button na may red line. Then of course your volume rocker. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. I know it's not the latest one, but definitely it's quite a powerful one. And giving you a quick sneak peek sa kanyang score, this is what it gets. So, ang kanyang display is a 6.67-inch na LTPO OLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate. And itong phone na ito meron sa 90% na screen-to-body ratio. Swiping on your favorite social media na app, smooth. Very smooth. So, swiping on your favorite social media app is very smooth. So since this one has a Kunlun glass, expect na this is as strong as my Mate 50 Pro na nakita natin previously na ginawa natin ng smash test. So by far, after using this for mga 2 weeks, itong EMUI 13 is quite smooth. Wala pa naman nakikita bugs masyado dito. And the user experience is pretty okay. And did you know na itong phone na ito has a IP68 na dust and water resistant rating? It can withstand up to 30 minutes under 1.5 meters underwater. So giving you some teaser on what this camera can do, makikita mo on indoor setting, ang ganda ng pagka-capture nitong camera ni Huawei P60 Pro. And even the selfie camera is pretty nice. We'll talk about the camera and the camera performance in full detail sa aking full review nitong Huawei P60 Pro. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's about it for the Huawei P60 Pro. Napakita ko sa inyo ang ating first impression and unboxing nitong phone na ito. And for sure, we'll go into more deep details pagdating sa ating full review nitong phone na ito. And of course, for the pricing, malalaman nyo rin sa aking full review. So kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito and you want to know more about this Huawei P60 Pro, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para ma-notify kayo once nag-release ako ng full review nito Huawei P60 Pro. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.